Welcome to this month's General Engineering Pro News Roundup. My name's Matt, and here are the top stories. Insulet, who make insulin pumps, have joined forces with Marvel to develop a comic about a superhero with type 1 diabetes. The comic, Diasonic Sound of Strength, follows Omnia, who's struggling to manage her diabetes until she uses Insulet's Omnipod 5 insulin pump. The pump enables her to channel her scientific skills and creates a pair of gloves with sonic frequency power, turning her into the superhero Diasonic. Insulet's CEO Ashley McAvoy said, "Collaborating with Marvel on this story empowers readers from the diabetes community to see themselves represented." A 115 megawatt power fishery solar project in Taiwan may be the largest of its kind in the country. Lightsource BP, which has received $200 million for the project, estimates the solar farm will generate 180,000 megawatt hours of clean energy annually, powering 41,000 homes. The Budai Fishery Solar Project is expected to be switched on in 2026. Shabir Gheewala has been named one of the 19 national champions of the Frontiers Planet Prize for a paper he published in an iChemE journal. The Frontiers Planet Prize focuses on research that can be scaled up to help humanity stay within 9 crucial planetary boundaries and prevent disastrous environmental change. His research, which used a planetary boundary-based life cycle assessment, investigated rice production in Pakistan and uncovered that it exceeded freshwater eutrophication and water use boundaries. Gheewala and his team were about to determine that using solar-powered irrigation and growing a variety of rice that matures faster with higher yields could fix the problem. At the end of June, 3 winners will be awarded $1 million to advance their research and named international champions. ADNOC made its most significant capital investment this month, awarding $5 billion in contracts for the first phase of its rich gas development project. The contracts will help expand essential processing units across 4 ADNOC gas facilities, enhancing throughput and boosting operational efficiency. Fatima Al-Nuaimi, CEO of ADNOC Gas, said, "This strategic investment is expected to deliver significant new value for our shareholders and enable continued sustainable growth for the company, our employees, and the UAE." The University of East London's Dockland Campus Library and Royal Docks Centre for Sustainability will soon be powered by the River Thames's natural heat. The innovative heat pump system will replace the existing gas boilers on campus with a closed-loop system, reducing CO2 emissions by 258 tonnes per year. Siemens is the design partner behind the move. Since beginning the partnership in 2022, they've installed solar panels and EV charging points at the Docklands campus. Finally, Acciona Energia has announced its largest project to date in North America, with a 280 megawatt 40-mile wind farm in Canada. It has been named one of Canada's top 10 largest wind farms and can reduce carbon dioxide by 600,000 metric tonnes annually. 25 full-time positions will be maintained from its construction, and the project is expected to contribute more than 133 million Canadian dollars in property tax revenues over its lifetime. That's all we've got time for today. Don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn at NES Fircroft for your daily dose of engineering news, career advice, and job vacancies. See you next time for our Engineering News Roundup.